Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your loan approval with Quicken Loans step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Quicken Loans account on their website. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section. Look for the Loan Status or Application Status option. Click on that to view the details of your loan approval. Check for the current status of your loan application. If your loan is approved, you will see a confirmation message. Review the loan details, including the loan amount and interest rate. Make sure all your personal information is accurate. If anything seems off, note the discrepancies. Next, gather any requested documentation listed on the approval page. Prepare to upload or provide these documents as needed. Locate the Upload Documents section in your account. Use this feature to securely upload your documents. After uploading, confirm that each file has been received successfully. If you have questions, use the customer support chat feature for assistance. Keep track of any email notifications from Quicken Loans regarding your approval. Be prepared for a possible follow-up call from your loan officer. Confirm the next steps outlined in your loan approval process. Stay informed by regularly checking your account for updates. Once everything is verified, you'll be on your way to closing your loan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.